pattern there? Fu'ala'u. Fu'ala'u. One dhamma. What does it tell you, one dhamma? It's diptote. Brother? Brother Abdul Samad, it tells you it is diptote. One dhamma means it is diptote. You cannot say dhumala'un. It will be dhumala'u. Okay? Sister Aisha, faqirun is fukara'u. What is it? Fukara'u. So it is again broken plural. Okay. So these two are on the pattern of fu'ala'u. Fu'ala'u. I give you one, brother. Alimun ulama'u. Alimun ulama'u. Okay. You can also make it alimuna. Sometimes the noun can have two forms of plurals or even more. Arabic is very vast. You can put Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean together, and Arabic is vaster than those two oceans. Okay, fine, brother. Now, Sister Arifa, we come to Ghaniyun. Aghniya'u. Aghniya'u. Is it sound or broken? It is broken. Can you figure out the pattern? Af-ila'u. What is the pattern? Af-ila'u. Af-ila'u. Again, I am telling you, brother, just make a note of it. Try to understand. You will, inshallah, master it as we go along. Inshallah. Brother Farooq, we have Sadiqun. What is the plural? Asdiqa'u. Asdiqa'u. Again, single dhamma, diptote. So it is on the pattern of af-ila'u. Is it sound or broken? Broken. Because you added many things. Sound will only have waw noon at the end, and or alif and open ta. And the noun, singular noun, will remain intact in it. No changes. It's easy, brother. Fine. Brother Hassan? Tabibun? Atibba'u. Okay? And that is also on the pattern of af-ila'u. I'm going to explain you Atibba'u. Just write it down near it, because it will be easy. Tabibun. And what is the pattern, brother? Af-ila'u. See? So it should be at-bi-ba-u. What is it? At-bi-ba-u. Are you with me? That is the actual thing according to the pattern of af-ila'u. But it has undergone a change. What is the change? As you can see, brothers and sisters, there is a kasra on ba, af-i, la'u. And there is a sukoon on ta. We give kasra here, we change it, and we give sukoon here. Now pronounce it. Because of these two, we give a shadda. Sahi? So you will say atibba'u. See, it underwent a little change. So, but the wazan is af-ila'u. So whenever you have two letters coming together, you will see it will undergo a change like this. When more of it will come, I'll point out to you. So it is tabibun, which is actually at-biba-u, change into atibba'u. Atibba'u. Sahih, brothers and sisters? So it is still on the wazan of af-ila'u. If you can write down this in your note, then inshallah. The only thing that we did, brothers and sisters, we changed vowel signs. We took the kasra from B and gave it to ta. We took a sukoon of ta and put it on ba. Is it correct, Brother Hassan? That's what it happened. Fine, brother. Now, Brother Abdul Samad, Fatan is young fellow, young man, you can say young fellow. What is the plural? Fitiyatun. What is it? Fitiyatun. Is it sound or broken? Broken, huh? Okay. So it is also on the wazan. Fi'alatun. What is the wazan? Fi'alatun. Okay. Now, akhun. Huh? Ikhwatun. Ikhwatun. So that is also on the pattern of broken plural, fi'alatun. But ikhwatun has two plurals. Ikhwatun and, do you know the other one? Akhwan. Ikhwanun. Ikhwanun. What is the other one? Ikhwanun. So there are two. Both are broken. Ikhwatun and ikhwanun. Both are broken. But the noun can have many patterns of plural. And that is the vastness of the Arabic language, brother. That is why the Arabs were the first to develop the art of poetry and take it to the highest form of eloquence. You know, when the Europe was still in dark ages, the knowledge, the light, enlightenment was already there in the Middle East. Wherever Islam went, it took the knowledge with itself, you know. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now we come to Jadidun. What is the plural? Brother Salman, what is the plural? Jududun. Judani, Judu. Jududun. Do you see a pattern there? What is the pattern? Fuhun. Can you relate it to something yet? See, same pattern. Jududun, fu'ulun, kutubun, rusulun. So you will always now feel the pattern, inshallah. And brother, what are the rest now? Mudarrisun became